things first. We went through this line, and the very first thing we did was we marked a couple of things that were easy to read. And by easy to read, we mean like whole numbers, coordinates, right? That way we're not guessing what it is. So that's your first step, is to go through and to find 2 points that are on the line. So we should probably write down that first step because we already did it on here. And if you haven't yet, it might be a good idea to mark the points on your graph. So step 1 is to find 2 points on the line. Okay. That's why you don't lean back in your chair. You'll fall. Okay. Oh, wait. That's better. Better? I automatically know you're going to ask me to zoom it in. So, this remember box down here, this is where we're going to put a couple of reminders. Our first reminder that I want to put in here, so we're step 1, find 2 points on the line. I'm going to scoot this over for a minute. Do our points have to be data points from the scatter plot? No. The second point, there's no data point there. It was just a place that was easy to read on the line, right? So that's one thing to remember. People fall into the temptation of, I have to find data points that are on the line. But they don't have to be data points. They could just be anything that's easy to read off the line. So there's not actually a data point there, but that's something that's easy to read. The big thing is just on the line. So that's a good reminder. The coordinates you're choosing don't have to be data points.
Oh.
Okay, question?
Can you zoom out a little bit?
What?
Why would I need to zoom out?
Like, so I can see the graph.
You can wait a minute. There's more people that need it zoomed in than zoomed out right now. Okay. There's one other thing down here about choosing your 2 points that I want to show you guys, because it's going to help you to get the best possible equation. So I'm going to scoot this over for a minute. So find 2 points on the line. Remember, doesn't need to be data points. Come back to this. So we made an assumption that that hits exactly at 3,5, right? It definitely looks like it does, but do we have a guarantee that it actually exactly perfectly does? No. So we're relying on a visual a little bit. Potentially that could actually be off slightly, right?
Yeah.
I want to show you guys something. I'm going to move this for a minute. Let's say I pick a couple of points. I'm going to pick a couple of points, and I'm going to have a line. Let me turn this around.